On 4th August, around 3:45 p.m. early evening, heavy rainfall broke out at Diphu town. Several parts of the town was affected by it. One of the most affected part was Amolapaty region. Several houses were submerged underwater due to improper drainage system at the town. Diphu is the headquarters of Karbi Anglong district. It is one of the most beautiful and one of the fastest growing town in the state. Diphu town is equipped with its rich diversities of floras, traditions and cultures of the Karbi community that attracts the tourists and visitors from across the globe. But there is one problem which occurs rarely and frequently, and that's flood. Here is a visual. After witnessing the visual, you must be wondering where this incident had taken place. Somewhere at West Karbi Anglong, Denarong or Dongmukak. Alas, it is a visual coming from Diphu town. The government of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had made tremendous efforts to uplift Diphu town and had also invested a lot of money for the beautification of the town. Proper road connectivity around Diphu town was one of the major boosts by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. But proper planning of the drainage system along with the road construction seems to be neglected. Therefore, it has resulted floods in certain sections of the town, although Diphu town is situated at high altitude. Here's the visual of showing the houses submerged underwater at Amolapaty areas at Diphu. It was reported that Damodar Rongpi, resident of Diphu town, his house was also submerged under flood water. All his properties, car, scooty, and many important documents were submerged with it. His sickbed father was also present at the house, but was rescued from the house with the collective efforts made by their neighbors. He was taken to higher ground and safety. Earlier, there were lots of watercourses at Diphu. Due to drastic developmental changes and civilization at the region, those river courses are now landfilled for construction-related purposes, ultimately blocking the free flow of the water. Moreover, due to the poor planning and immense negligence from the government in developing proper drainage system, the citizens of Diphu had become a victim of flood. If the concerned authority do not pay any heed to the current consequences and rectify it on time, then it is certain that more situations like this would turn up in coming days. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.